Welcome to Tablet Guide. Today we're going to be looking at the Huion Inspiroi KeyDial KD200 pen tablet. The box is nicely designed with a matte black finish and a glossy typeface on the front. Opening up the box, you're presented with the thank you card with the warranty details. The tablet itself, always a good sign. The tablet has 4 feet on the back to stop it slipping on your desk. Flipping it over and you're presented with the drawing area and the keyboard. You also get a handy Huion drawing glove, the pen, 2-button pen which is battery free. Just leave that there. USB cable, quick start guide, driver download instructions, Bluetooth receiver, more on that in a minute, the pen donut which contains 10 spare nibs, also doubles up as a pen holder. See, told you. So what makes this tablet different from other pen tablets? It's the dial and the keyboard. We'll take a look at those now. To get going, insert the USB receiver into your device. Click the on button for 3 seconds until the Bluetooth connection is made, then you'll see the blue light. If you're a right-handed illustrator, you're going to love this tablet. If you're left-handed, maybe not so much. When clicking the enter button, you're presented with a handy on-screen prompt telling you whether you're about to adjust the brush size, zoom in and out the canvas, or scroll up and down the page. The Bluetooth range is reportedly 10 meters, so you'll need good eyesight if you're sitting that far away from your screen. Out of the box, the tablet does come slightly charged, but for a full charge it needs to be between 1.2 and 3 hours. This should give you 18 hours battery life with a standby time of 6 months. Perfect for those long lunch breaks. Out of the box, pen pressure worked perfectly, as seen here on Windows 10 using Adobe Photoshop. The pen, as you would expect, is battery free, supports 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, 60 degrees of tilt, and only needs to be 10mm away from the tablet surface to be registered. The pen feels good to hold and is weighted nicely. There's an anti-friction silicone grip around the button area which feels nice to the touch. The 2 buttons are fully customizable in the driver software. The dial worked perfectly and I was able to adjust brush size very quickly. Same can be said for the canvas zoom, just makes drawing so much easier and quicker. This is the first pen display of its type to support Bluetooth 5 technology and incorporate a keyboard on the left side. The keyboard isn't detachable, so if you are left-handed you'll have to look elsewhere. It's got a nice metal grey colouring and is only 8.5mm thick. It's also fairly light, weighing only 650 grams, ideal for taking it between the home and the office. The lines produced on screen tapered nicely at the ends as expected, and even when scribbling away really fast, or colouring in, there was no lagging at all. The line widths varied as expected with the pen pressure working perfectly. When not in use, you just plop the pen into the pen holder to protect the nib. The unit also powers down after a period of inactivity to save battery life. The driver software is nicely designed and pretty intuitive. I like the way the colours match the box. Here you can adjust pen pressure, change the keyboard shortcuts, map the device to your screen, and also change various other settings like languages, even the colour of the software itself. I really enjoyed drawing with this tablet. There's no scratchy type feeling, the pen just seemed to glide across the top of the surface. It did feel slightly odd initially, only having a third of a keyboard to hand, but I'm sure you'll get used to it. As I mentioned before, the design of this tablet is really cool, and it is the first of its kind to combine a pen, tablet, a keyboard and a controller. It's also won 3 design awards in China and Japan for its look, but I'm pretty sure the judges weren't left-handed. By using the wireless connectivity, you can connect to any compatible Android tablet or device, but being an iPhone owner, I was unable to test this function. Underneath the keys is a nice sloping palm rest, so it won't dig into your wrist whilst you're drawing. On the right is the drawing area, which is anti-scratch and anti-fingerprint due to the applied texture sheet. Even though drawing with this tablet did feel really good, I couldn't stop myself reaching for my laptop keyboard for those shortcuts. I really enjoyed drawing with this tablet, and I'm sure using the keyboard and the dial will eventually become second nature. I think that's about it for this review. Don't forget to subscribe, leave any comments below, and I'll see you next time.